Hi, Deadlock's here again, and today we're going to see if the Clejuso Model 19R can beat the beef. What do you think, Mrs. D?
I don't think these ones can open.
You think the cuffs are going to win?
I think the cuffs are going to win.
Alright. So that's what you want. So there's the double lock on, as you can see by the button being pushed in.
I just wanted to change it up because you accused me of always saying the beef wins.
Oh.
But if it opens, I suspected that it would open.
I'm going to say I probably would have went for something other than Clejuso to change it up a bit.
Because you think Clejuso is so easy.
Well, they're not that easy. The double lock's actually a bit of a chore on these, because they've put it right at the front, and like if you go to the back, you're just picking at air basically.
Oh.
Because it's right at the front, it makes it a bit difficult to knock it off. I've had the double lock moving a couple of times,
But it's not coming off, so it can't be done.
it's not over yet.
It is. Oh, say, can we see? So the fat lady sang, so it's over. That's the saying, isn't it? It's not over till the fat lady sings. I just sang, so it's over. Give up. Give up. I win.
You haven't won yet.
I have. How come all the other ones are just like, yep, can't do it. Bye. Over and done with.
Because I've already done this mechanism before, so I should be able to do it again.
Not with the beef though.
No, I've done it with the beef.
Or are you just cheating?
This is very strange, because I've done this mechanism with the beef before.
The beef wins.
Well, the beef might be losing. I have one more.
I don't guess that the cuffs were going to win. That's what I mean.
I'm going to have one more go once I have found my Leatherman. There's my Leatherman. Oh, I fell back. Thought I had it there. I'm sorry, Mrs. Day.
Ah, cheater! Cheater, pumpkin eater.
What's that?
You did something with the Devilman and cheated.
I bent the beef. Anyway, that is now cuffs 15. Cuffs 15.
No,
Cuffs 15. No, cuffs 5. Beef 15. Cuffs 5.
No.
Yes.
No. Beef 15, cuff 6.
Why's cuffs 6?
Because you had 5 on the last video.
Yeah. But the beef beat this.
Alright, okay.
So it's beef 15, cuffs 5. Anyway, that's all from us. See you next time.
Bye. I did it!
Well
I
done.
did it! 240. That's such a cute
I don't
little
know which one that's for.
thing. What's the end bit for? Like stabbing people. You don't know.
I don't know. I don't know anything about
Handcuffs.